Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be opening up my order from Archer and Olive. Really excited about this one because there's a lot of new stickers in here that I think you'll really like and some pens. So if you'd like to see me open up this box and see everything I got, keep watching. All right, so Archer and Olive keeps coming out with like awesome new stuff and I cannot control myself. They did not send this to me for free. I did buy this and I just can't stop buying their stuff because I love it so much. Anyway, let's see what I got. So first up, you can tell, oh my gosh. Okay, so if you are into bullet journaling at all, you obviously know who AmandaRachLee is. I have been following her for a really long time, and I was so excited that she collaborated with Archer and Olive to give us some new acrylograph colors that she actually picked out herself and named and all of that, and she designed this tin. I love the tin. Let me put this aside. I love this tin because it's like, it's something decorative that I can put either pens in or other things. And I love just having like little storage containers, you know what I mean? And like, this is just so cute with these little doodles on it. You know, I'm a doodle girl and perfect, right? I love Amanda's stuff. Let's open it up and I will show you what's inside. I actually saw a video that she made where she talked about these, so you can check her out. So it gives you some instructions on how to use the acrylograph pens and some tips here. And then a little note from Amanda. And now here are the colors that are in this box. I mean, these are really pretty. Now these are all colors that we have not seen before from Archer and Olive, with the exception of this one. I guess it's white. So I mean, it's not going to be much different than the other white, I don't think, although I haven't tried it yet. I will go ahead and swatch these for you. Let me just turn off the camera so that I can actually start them because, well, I'll start one for you and show you what I mean. So to start them, you have to shake it and shake it and shake it some more and keep shaking it for a while. It's your exercise for the day. If you sit at your desk and draw all day, this is your exercise. Okay, it's my exercise. These are 0.7, by the way, which is my favorite size. You have to press, then you just have to wait until, look, I see it. Okay, so this color is Faded Pear. And Amanda said in her video that she's always wanted to name like marker colors or nail polish colors or something. That is my dream job as well. I've talked about this before. I've always wanted to name either like markers or paint colors or stuff like that. Like that just appeals to me so much. So hey, Archer and Olive, if you ever want to collab for Planning with Bumble acrylographs, I'm all over it. Okay, I'm not quite at that point yet, but you know. Okay, so this is Faded Pear. And you guys know, I love these acrylograph pens. Like, I know I've shouted it from the rooftops because you can pretty much change the color of any sticker with these. And also just writing with them is so nice. And when you write in them, well, look at this, I've been drawing. When you write on Happy Planner paper with these, it is a paint pen, so the paint will sit on the top of the paper. It does not bleed through, which surprised me because they're paint, you would think, but this is that color. And I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, turn off the camera, start all of these, and then I'll show you each of the colors. So hang on a second. All right, since I love acrylograph pens so much, cat hair, I'm gonna swatch them on 3 different colors of paper for you. This paper is Archer and Olive. This came from one of their notepads. I love having those. So let's swatch them. Now, I looked at the color names of like 2 of them, and then I decided after that I was gonna name them myself, because why not? name them because I want to name them, even though Amanda already named them. So I didn't look at the other ones. Okay, so I'm going to name them myself and then see if it matches Amanda's names. I'm not looking. So let's start with this one. This one is like a really light purple. Now on the black, it looks almost white. Do you see how the color changes for each paper that you put it on? I'm gonna name this one Lavender Bliss. And that is because my mom has a soap company. Well, I'm not gonna write Lavender Bliss because I'm gonna write the actual name. My mom has a soap company and she has a soap called Bliss, and then she also makes lavender soap, so that just popped in my head. And let's see what Amanda named it. Lilac Fields. Nice. I like hers better. But of course, like, I'm just naming them on the fly, Amanda. I'm just naming them quickly. I didn't have time to think about it like you did. Lilac Fields. It's hard to see. This is a very light color pen. Okay, next. Actually, let's do this. So you can kind of see them all together here. Ooh. Sorry for the scratchy noise. Okay. It kind of doesn't show up on the craft paper, and that is because it is a craft paper color. I'm not going to call it craft paper. I am going to call it creamy wheat. I don't know. Creamy wheat. That's not a good name. Rice paper. Ooh, that's a nice name for that. Because it's kind of like this, it's a little, like on here especially, it looks like rice paper. It's like kind of like cream colored, almost yellow, but not quite, you know what I mean? It's a really nice neutral color. All right, oh wait, I have to write rice paper here. Okay, I should probably be writing it on that so you can see it better. Let's check this one out. I know what I'm gonna call this one. You guys, this is Cantaloupe. Mellow Tangerine. That's a good one too. Because it's like not quite tangerine, right? It's kind of mellow. It's a nice soft orange color. I'm calling it Cantaloupe. It's the little things, you guys. The little things that are making me happy. Wait, I forget which ones I already named. I already saw the name of. I think two of them. It might have been this one. Let me look at it first. Yeah, so this one I saw the name of, so I'm not gonna cheat. This is Stormy Seafoam, which is a fantastic name. I love that. And then we'll do it here. They always really pop on the black paper. I think that's nice. Okay, I did not look at this one. Ooh. I'm gonna call this one, it's like a denim. So how about we call it like blue jeans? Vintage denim. Whoa, whoa. It does look like denim, that is correct. I guessed well, Amanda. All right, that means you named it well. I saw the color of this one, so I will not cheat. This one is called Rustic Brown. I probably would have called it like bark or something. Tree bark, that's not a good name. Rustic Brown is much better. Okay, I didn't look at this one. This one looks like, Gentle Leaf. How's that? Faded Pear. Oh, we already did that one. Never mind. Oh my gosh. Faded Pear. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I forgot it already. Oh, it's been a long day. Okay. What is this one? I'm not looking. This one. It's a pink. So I'd say soft rose, pink quartz. One more. Okay, I think that one's Bumblebee. Pastel Sun. Okay, so those are the colors of Amanda's. Well, we can look at the white. I'm pretty sure it's just white though. It's just white. It's gonna be the same white as the other white of the Archer and Olive pens. We just called it crisp white. So there's the colors. I think they're really pretty and they're soft and they're just a little bit different than the colors that I have. So thank you, Amanda, for doing that. And I love that set. Super excited about that. Let's see what else I got though. In case you're not interested in the pens, why is my desk full of pencil? In case you're not interested in the pens, like you're probably like, come on, get to the stickers already, Mary Ellen. Let's move it. All right, I got a lot of stickers. I bought like a couple of sets of each kind. So why don't we do it like that? Let me separate them into sets. Let's do this one first because this one is my favorite. So what was this called? Oh no, it doesn't have the name on them. Maybe it's on the sheet. I forget the names. These are so cute though. Okay, so Archer and Olive started making matte stickers because they used to be a little bit shiny and I didn't like them as much, even though I still really like them because the designs are really pretty, but now they're matte and they're just gorgeous. And I don't have the names, but I will put the names in the description box and I will link everything for you so that you can find it. And I'd appreciate it using my affiliate link. I also have a code, which is 10% off. It is PWB10, so you can use that. Okay, so this is so cute. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Like that bee and the flowers, just the really pretty blush colors on this combined with like that soft yellow, almost like the acrylographs we just saw, right? So gorgeous. Okay, and so each one comes, I found this out when I was looking, like each one has like the decorative stickers and then it also has a set to match that are called like the planner stickers that are a little bit more functional, but still cute. So here is that set. And each comes with like 2 sheets of the same. So we have numbers here, we have a to-do list, and then more of those like pretty illustrations. Just so sweet. I love like the gold accents on these. So these are really, really, really cute. All right. Next, let's check out the other 2 sets I got, and it's the Mermaid one. I got the Mermaid one, and they come like, look, they come in the same color of the packaging's like the same color, which is nice. They're matching. I'll probably take them out of the packaging though and have them with my other Archer and Olive stickers, which I'm still trying to figure out how to store them. I want to store them separately from my other loose stickers, but my other sticker sheets, but I have to figure that out. Okay, so this is what these look like. I love these too, just not as much as the bees. But you can pretty much take like this, and so you can make, you know, 1 or 2 spreads out of this, and it's gonna be cute no matter what, like, because it's all gonna kind of coordinate. So here's the Mermaid one. She's fancy. There's like silver foil on this one. And then here is the matching planner stickers. And we have a to-do list. We have like a little box there, so cute. And then look, some bubbles. We have some days of the week. Really, really cute. Okay, and the last one I have is, what did they call this? It was like a fairy one. My nails don't match any of this stuff, you guys. All soft colors. And then bam, St. Patrick's Day though. Okay, so this is the fairy one. It's a little bit more fancy, if you will. So here's the illustrations. We also have the silver foil on these. Look at this, a little test tube with like little leaves in it. Oh my gosh. And a little key, the fairy. These are really cute. And then On this one, it's more functional ones. We have some days of the week, which are in a fancy font. And look, oh my gosh, the details on these are really, really cute. So I can't wait to make some really fun spreads with these. Okay, so there you have it. That is all that came in my order. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing that I got. And I guess I will see you in my next video. Have a good day, everybody. Take care. Bye.